Please subscribe.
Outline: it's simple, car-like, taking care of, joined with SUV-like seating. Stature and reasonableness settle on the Equinox, an engaging decision. Chevy emerges cocked and locked, as the Equinox's element-rich alternatives rundown offers a wide range of current infotainment and driver help highlights. It's in the chase for eco-friendliness road cred, as well, with a discretionary turbocharged 2.0-liter four-chamber that tastes fuel as well as anyone. A super-effective turbo diesel motor is additionally accessible. Sadly, the 1.5-liter four-chamber standard motor makes the Equinox feel considerably underpowered, and increasing speed is tepid, best-case scenario. Chevy's choice to charge a weighty premium for high-esteem models and famous bundles may drive customers to opponent brands. What's happening for 2019? Chevrolet has rolled out a couple of improvements to the Equinox lineup for 2019. 3 new choice bundles are currently offered, beginning with the LS Convenience Bundle and the LT Appearance Bundle. The Lights and Bright Bundle is likewise accessible on the LT model and includes 19-inch chrome wheels, LED head and tail lights, a chrome grille encompass, and formed running sheets. 4 USB ports are presently standard over the range, and the reinforcement camera has been redesigned with a higher goals focal point. Person-on-foot recognition and versatile journey control both join the alternatives list, yet are just accessible on the top-spec Premier model. Chevrolet Equinox pricing and which one to buy: L, $24,995 LS, $26,995 LT, $28,295 Chief, $32,195. We'd pick the mid-range LT trim with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive costs $1,750 extra. We'd spend the extra $2,500 for the 2.0T, however that might be difficult to legitimize for somebody who couldn't care less as much about execution. The LT includes various highlights that many will acknowledge, for example, a power-movable driver's seat with lumbar, warmed outside mirrors, and high-force release, headlamps. Chevrolet's bundling technique makes it hard for the Equinox to rival adversaries, for example, the Honda CR-V, which offers unquestionably more extravagance, driver help, and accommodation highlights at this equivalent value point. To coordinate the CR-V on highlights and gear, requires including extra cost choice bundles, for example, the Confidence and Convenience Bundle and the Sun and Navigation Bundle. Motor, transmission, and performance preferences: gutsy discretionary 2.0T motor, athletic dealing with for a hybrid, incredible controlling. Abhorrences: lethargic 1.5T and diesel motors, unforgiving ride on enormous discretionary wheels. Underpowered and every now and again winded, the base turbo four-chamber motor won't win any fans with its lazy presentation. The turbocharged 1.5-liter four-chamber makes 170 strength, and when matched with the discretionary, and heavier, all-wheel drive framework, front-wheel drive is standard, it takes an overwhelming foot to hustle the Equinox up to throughway speeds. A bigger, turbocharged 2.0-liter four-chamber is discretionary and much better appropriate for the Equinox's weight. The standard 6-speed programmed moves consistently, and in light of a legitimate concern for efficiency, the gearbox is hesitant to downshift when additional power is required. A diesel four-chamber is likewise offered and is extremely productive, but at the same time it's costly and moderate. Pleasing and simple to drive, the Equinox handles capability, and its guiding is precise and direct. The ride is somewhat brutal, especially with the discretionary 19-inch wheels, 17s or 18s are standard, and harsher stretches of street make an interpretation of some disagreeableness into the lodge. Body roll is held within proper limits during cornering, and the firm suspension yields a really athletic hybrid should you experience a twisty byway.